critical levels for MYX. It has pumped over 1,300% this week with a 121% rally just today, guys. What are the next critical levels for MYX so we do not miss out on this rally or potentially one of the biggest dumps loading up right now, guys? I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe, and let's jump right into it. So MYX here has had a massive blast off from the lows yesterday after getting some big listings on some big exchanges, pumping from $3.60 something cents all the way to over $17. Right now, we have made a London high at around 1823, and I am looking for a potential sweep of this London high. If we do get it, I am entering a low leverage 3x leverage short on MYX, potentially riding it back down towards this gold pocket of 861, which is going to be one of these big dump trades if they do play out, right? This thing is completely overbought, and there's no real reason for this to be having such a major rally, except for the simple reason that it got a big listing. There's a lot of FOMO. People see a coin that is up 1,300% and think that it's going to continue rallying forever. And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we do get another continuous major rally. But after pumping 1,300% in 1 week, I am willing to bet that we get at least a 20 to 30% dump on a daily coming up soon. And that is what I'm preparing myself for. I am preparing myself to take a short here. And if I have to dollar cost average into this short, if we rally higher, I'm definitely willing to do that because it's a low leverage trade. So the targets to the downside I'm looking for are this $8.61. We have the monthly VWAP down at 694. We have the previous week high, the weekly open, everything down here at 360. I don't believe we're going to come down that low. That would be a total drop from where we are right now, right? From where we are down to this gold pocket would be a 50% drop. So even if we just come down to this daily untapped average of $10.69, that's a 39% drop in a day, which would be fantastic for my low leverage trade. Even if we come just down to the previous day high or daily open, that's a 21% drop on a 3x leverage trade. That is fantastic returns overall. So definitely not trying to be greedy here, but after pumping 1,300%, I am willing to bet that we're going to get somewhere between a 30 to 50% retracement at some point for this coin, unless something wildly fundamentally bullish happens to this thing, besides the simple fact that Binance listed it under a category of Binance Alpha. That's just FOMO, that's just hype, and I am willing to short the hype. So these are the targets that I'm looking for to the downside. We have a daily MPOC down at 430, an untapped weekly average down at 269, and we have the quarterly and the yearly VWAPs all the way down at $1.20 to 72 cents. What a magnificent short would that be? Honestly, I would probably close my short if we even came down to this gold pocket after a 50% drop. That would be more than enough, right? But I'm honestly looking anywhere between this daily open to this daily average of $10.60. As we saw here earlier today, when we made the London high at $18.11 or 12 cents, we did drop all the way down to $12.56, which that alone itself was right there from this high to this current low right here is a 32% drop, 33% drop just during the London and New York trading session. So another 30% drop or 50% drop, do not think it's out of the question. It is definitely on the cards for MYX. It's only a matter of time of when is the next top, right? Are we going to top out here at this London high and sweep it and drop it back down, reverse it? Or are we going to make another high somewhere around $22 and higher before dropping back down lower? But I am willing to bet that we are going to get the drop, and you guys are going to miss it by FOMOing into something that has pumped over 1,300%, guys. Like always, I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. Never financial advice, just something that I'm looking at and something that I'm doing. And I hope to see all of you guys in the Crypto Citadel. See ya.